Homer wins town election, declaring himself mayor amidst banners, donuts, and chaos at City Hall. Marge frets, clutches pink oven mitts, planning wholesome reforms while Lisa documents polls for newsreel. Bart teases Homer publicly, filming chaotic press conference, declaring snack taxes and soggy donut reforms. Marge negotiates with Chief Wiggum as Krusty Krust supplies rattle outside Springfield Bank at dawn. Homer promises parks, speed bumps, and healthy cows, while Principal Skinner schedules civic assemblies for classes. Lisa studies census maps, befriending Milhouse and Ralph, while Nelson heckles the mayoral backdrop playfully. Homer stumbles into the town square, accidentally inaugurating a hot dog cannon, triggering cameraman chaos everywhere. Marge assigns contract to Carl and Lenny for community garden renovation, promising gentle reforms tonight. Springfield residents gather at the town hall, flip charts wobble, Homer improvises a victory speech. Apu warns about budget shortages, while Lisa proposes spreadsheets, and Groundskeeper Willie polishes potholes gleefully. Krusty interrupts with TV crew, promising ratings-driven reforms that barely divert fines from farmers today. Homer signs a pledge promising safety, yet immediately triggers a faux emergency drill for laughs. The power struggles intensify. Mayor Homer borrows Burns' megaphone, declaring edible pothole policy to appease. Marge covers her eyes, whispering dough, as chaos erupts, water main bursts, confetti everywhere simultaneously. Bart leads a prank council, replacing signs with donuts, triggering a municipal donut revolt tonight. Climaxes mount. Mayor Homer negotiates with Mo, who demands a saloon-style town policy through compromise. Lisa assists with after-school programs, turning riot lessons into civic education, earning reluctant respect today. Mr. Burns watches from a limo, muttering excellent, savoring chaos as budget numbers wobble dramatically. Acting Mayor Homer holds a press briefing, chirping microphone, accidentally endorsing local Duncan-style crafts loudly. Springfield Elementary students rally, Principal Skinner calls order while Mrs. Crabapple quizzes etiquette for civics. Homer's family negotiates with community leaders, Santa's little helper fetches ballots from gutter during rain. Civic volunteers assemble, including Ned Flanders, Apu, and Chief Wiggum, sharing popcorn and patience together. A sudden power outage tests everyone. Marge organizes a candlelit town hall, singing community spirit. Dawn breaks. Homer concedes flaws, announces transparency reforms, and admires trustworthy reporters more than spin. Marge collaborates with Lisa, launching neighborhood cooperative, restoring parks, libraries, and playgrounds for all residents. Bart toasts with Milhouse. Mo drops by, vowing to sponsor cleanup street parades this week. Mr. Burns exits. He concedes some mercy, funding a town mural celebrating unity for everyone. Seasoned citizens cheer. Grandpa Simpson claps slowly, muttering "Ay, caramba," but smiling at the results. Closing montage shows rebuilt plaza, a grateful town, and Homer awkwardly stepping into vast responsibility. Final scene returns home, family hugs, dough echoes, but hope anchors Springfield's brighter future together.